Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. This GLE is reassuring when the weather turns and rewarding when the road turns. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,